Hey guys, welcome to Cute Drawings. Today I'll be drawing a cute cat. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off in the center and let's draw the nose. Let's add a small curve, and then 2 angles underneath. Now underneath, let's draw a line down in the center, and curve it up and out on both sides. And that's it for the nose and mouth. Now on top, let's draw the eyes. Let's move up and let's draw a curve up and down on both sides like this. And now thicken the line up slightly. Now on top, let's add 2 eyelashes by curving it out and back in. And coloring them in black. Now top underneath, and let's draw a curve down and back up for the bottom of the eyes. Now top inside, and let's draw a curve down and back up. Then inside, let's add a circle on the top left. And then an oval at the bottom. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop up and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's hop to the top and let's draw a curve across. Now let's curve it up and out on both sides for the ears. And then curve it back down. Now underneath, let's curve it out and bring it in at the bottom. And a curve across to close off the head. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move in and let's draw the details to the ears. We'll start with a curve down inside. Then from the top, let's draw another curve down. Now at the bottom, let's draw 2 bumps up. And then 1 more curve down to close it off. And that's it for the ears. Now let's hop down and let's draw 3 curves out on both sides for the whiskers. Next, let's hop underneath and let's draw the collar. Let's leave a small gap and let's draw a circle in the center. Now inside, let's add a curve up across the center. And then from the sides, let's curve it back up to the head. And that's it for the collar. Next, let's hop out and let's draw a curve down and back up on the sides here. And another point underneath in the same way. And then let's add a long curve down and in underneath. Now top to the center and let's draw 2 more angles, meeting at a point at the bottom. Now underneath, let's add 2 curves for the feet. And then inside each one, let's draw 2 curves at the bottom. And that's it for the front legs. Now let's add the back legs on the sides. We'll start with a curve down and bring it in. Then another curve out and in underneath. And add one curve inside at the bottom. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's add the tail. On the bottom left, let's draw a curve up. Let's curve it back around on top. And then let's curve it back into the body like this. And that's it for this cute cat. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!